everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of July 19th through the 25th. This week is the opening ceremonies of the Olympics, so I had to pick an Olympics themed kit. This is the Molly Loves the Planner Olympics from Itty Bitty Sticker Company. Super cute. It's like a 3-page kind of mini kit format. And then I also got some freebies from the TPC sale. So I have all of these like Olympics themed icons and then 2 sets of headers. So I have all of this stuff figured out. So I needed one more set of headers. And I pulled actually 2 old Sarah Elizabeth Prince kits. And I have this one that I have this blue left, and I have this one that I have this green left. And I think I'm going to use the green. This is from an old Kate mini kit, and I also have a few little things left, so I'm going to just incorporate those as well. So I think that's going to be my 3rd headers. And then I also needed bottom washi. So I pulled from AliExpress, I have like this blue galaxy one, and then also this one, which is like the little heads from the Neko Tsume kitty collector game, which I thought might work. But I also pulled, this is like actual Japanese style washi tape. It's gold, it's super extra. But I thought maybe that might be appropriate since the Olympics are in Tokyo. So I was thinking maybe what I would do is use this wave one that's kind of like multicolor, and then use a skinny one. I'm thinking maybe go like all the way, like maximally extra, and use these 2 together. I think that's my plan. So with that, I did not pull any date dots. I'm trying to figure out if I should like maximize my extraness for those as well. Hang on a second. I do have this Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith kit, and it has these 2 pages of gold numbers. So it has 3 2s, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not gonna be enough because I only have 6 2s. All right, well, that's not gonna work. So I will probably just try to pull in a little bit of other foil throughout the week, but probably not a ton, and just have it little bits as we go. Okay, so this is gonna be my bottom washi. I have this headers and these headers, and then I'm gonna move all the rest of this stuff out of the way, and I'm going to also have this and this and this. Okay, I'm gonna do all that stuff, and then I will come back and we can do all the interesting bits. All right, here we go. I did entirely finish this sheet, so thank you for your service, as Caitlin would say. But I think it's looking really cute. I'm gonna do a little wiggle and twerk so you can see the gold while it's here. So I guess next up is figuring out the full boxes. So I actually have 2 double boxes, which I definitely want to use just because I feel like these are easier to fit into later spreads, like in the next coming weeks, as we go through the Olympics and things like that. But the double boxes are usually hard to fit in other spreads. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one here and I'm gonna put one here. I think that's my plan. So I'm going to stick this double box right here, I think. So the Itty Bitty Sticker Co stickers are just slightly bigger than stickers from some other shops, but still totally fits, so we're all good. All right, and then I like this paper. It's like unicorn velvet matte paper. All right, and then here is my other one. All right, perfect. Oh, I forgot to put these guys down. Ooh, we should do that. I'm just gonna write in the dates. And hopefully this pen works on this paper. I should have thought about that before I wrote things, but we're gonna hope for the best. So this like matches here. I can't make it line up, so I'm gonna make it purposefully not like have a little gap, since the design is not gonna line up perfectly. All right, there's those three. This week is gonna be pretty quiet. Just getting back into all of the work things after our retreat. And then also watching the Olympics. Otherwise, I'm not sure anything else significant is going on. But I'm totally fine with that. Quiet week seems nice. There's a bunch of birthdays this week in my family, so I'll probably have a bunch of phone calls to make as well. So yeah, okay. So now I have space for these three and then one up here. So I'm going to use 4 of them. I think I'm gonna save the pink ones maybe for later. And then I think I'm gonna save this one for later. So these 3, and then I think I'm gonna have space for an extra full box over here. So, let's see. I think I'm gonna put this one as my like quote box. I love that these Olympic rings are cat faces. It's so cute. All right, there we go. Then I think I'm gonna stick this one on Monday. And then I'm gonna stick the other turquoise one. I don't know why I said turquoise funny. On Sunday. These colors go really well together, so I'm glad that worked out. And then I'm gonna use the yellow one here. I know that's like a lot of yellow here, but I think it looks cute. Okay, that's my plan. I'm gonna stick with it. For the sidebar, since that's where we are now, I'm gonna use this last glitter header. There we go. For some reason I'm like right inside these dots, but I think that's fine. Move that to the side. And then I'm going to use, there's 3 habit trackers. I think I'm going to use this red one and then also the blue one. So one habit tracker is going to be for Instagram, and then the other one is going to be for brushing my cat's teeth, because that is a habit that is continuously needs work. Let's go with it. Let's go with that. Okay, I'm gonna use a strip of this washi. I think I'm gonna try, I have to turn this upside down. I can only lay washi one direction. All How are you guys at this? Can you lay washi both directions? If so, please tell me your secrets. Because I can only lay washi one direction. All right, little strip there. Then I have space for another full box. So I think I'm gonna use this guy. Like so. Is there space for one more? There is space for one more. All right, perfect. Ooh, just pour that a little bit. I think I'm gonna stick another row of this washi in. So I tore like some of the sticky off of this full box, but I think it's gonna be fine. I have high hopes. Well, I just threw that washi on the ground. Guess I didn't really want it. All right. We're gonna stick this guy right here, and then I need to cut off like the tiniest possible sliver along here. There we go. Okay. So there's a sidebar, all done. Super cute, and definitely very Olympics themed. I have these two full boxes left over. I'm probably gonna like try to incorporate them into some future spreads during the Olympics, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so for plans for the week, I do have some Molly work stickers. But I think I'm going to try to mix things up a little bit, and I'm going to use these Avery laptop stickers from Creative Cavern Studio. I don't know why, it just seems cute. So I'm just going to stick these in. I feel like they go with this spread really well with the pink, so I'm excited to use them. All right. There's that. I'm just going to leave these out because we still need them. Also on Monday is my plan with me. So if I can find, I have all of these icons, but there are these couple of like planners. So I'm going to use one of those to mark my plan with me. Otherwise, that's all I really have going on. On Monday, Tuesday is my grandpa's birthday, which naturally I didn't pull any birthday stickers. What do I have in this guy? Since we were just talking about adding more foil, this might be a great opportunity. All right, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be like, is this gonna be too much? All right, I think I'm gonna use these dots. I think that's gonna be my plan to mark it. So this is my grandpa's birthday. It's also one of my aunt's birthdays. Opposite sides of the family, but gonna just stick one sticker, cover everyone's birthday in one go. Wednesday, I have nothing planned. Thursday and Friday, I need to stick in some stickers for work. Friday, I have a work conference, but it's virtual, so that's not a big deal. I don't have to do any prep or anything really for that beyond making slides for my talk, but not a big deal. So there's that, and then I also wanted to mark, I think I'm going to use, I don't know why I'm pulling it from this other sheet because they're exactly the same, but I think I'm going to use this guy, and I'm just going to mark it here. I don't know what order things go in, all of that good stuff. I'm going to try to angle it a little maybe. There we go. Opening ceremonies, done. Saturday is my Nana's birthday. on the side with the aunt, not the side with my grandpa. But I just want to mark that there with a little dot. And then Sunday, I've got nothing. We're just going to watch the Olympics. So I have these for marking whatever we watch on the Olympics. And then I still have like all these functionals, which are going to be really useful as we move forward. I don't know if I'm going to use the checklist or not. They're pretty good length to combine with maybe a little thing, but we shall see. And then I also have these little things from Sarah Elizabeth prints that I'm going to be using. I think the rest of this stuff, these 2 boxes, as well as this page from the cake kit, at this point I'm going to stick those in my leftovers to save for another time. But I have this stuff, so I'm ready to go. This is what the spread looks like right now, without anything written in. I'm not going to write stuff in because that feels like way too much work right now. But I think that it's looking really cute. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the basically finished spread. I love how it turned out, super cute. I'll do a little wiggle and twerk. There is a bit of foil here, not a ton. If I don't mention it, it came from the super cute kit from Itty Bitty Sticker Co. I still have left, hang on, everything's trying to fall, some functional things on both these sheets. These are going to go in my leftovers. We'll use them another time. I also have left still some of these Olympic themed stickers, so I will be saving these out in case I want to post about Olympic themed things in the next couple of weeks. And then these are the extras of the Sarah Elizabeth prints. I finished this green color, so these are just going to my leftovers as well. So if I don't mention it, it came from that Itty Bitty Sticker Co kit. Going down the side, these light green glitter headers are from that Sarah Elizabeth print sheet. I still need to brush Pepper's teeth today. This is washi from Amazon, as is the washi along the bottom. These are Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company. These little things are all the ones from that Sarah Elizabeth print sheet. This is from a Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith book. That's more Creative Cavern Studio, Wonton in a Million at Craftsmith, Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith, Creative Cavern Studio, more of that washi from Amazon, Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio. This is an Itty Bitty Sticker Co sticker, not from this kit. That's another Wonton in a Million with Craftsmith, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio. This is an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby, Creative Cavern Studio, and I haven't filled this in yet. Excuse me. I plan to make pancakes, so that's probably what's going to get filled in there. But everything else is really done. So I think it turned out super cute and super fun. I like these little glitter swatches that I used for my workouts. Made it seem a little bit more fun than it otherwise would. But yeah, that's all I really have. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. Let me know if you used this kit or a different kit. Did you use an Olympic themed kit this week? I would love to see what other Olympic themed kits people use that I maybe missed out on. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.